going to talk about how you can edit your photos and videos using AI. For example, we have instant slow motion as one of the features. We'll click on this dog video. You'll simply just hold your button, and right there you can see it's in slow motion. Once you let go, it goes back to normal speed. To continue editing, we'll just simply hold that pencil, crop it right there. You can also adjust the speed and say I want a fourth of that. So we'll just let it play, and then we'll start from the top so you can see how it looks from normal speed to slow motion. So right there, it's in slow motion. And then back to normal. And then you would just simply save on the top right hand corner.